welcome to another video. Today I can't do pack opening one by one because I'm in a hurry because I'm going to a party. So I decided to mix up the packs like this and mix it up. That's why I'm in a rush. That's why I just decided to mix it up. So yeah, let's begin. First, we got a Darkling, EX, Energy, a Level Ball, a Drowsy. Oh my god. Gardevoir. We're getting lucky today. I just got a Flareon. Repeat Ball. A Gabite. Not a Pokemon. A Darkling. A Trainer. I'll pick it up. Vaporeon. Play-Doh. Clefable. Oh my god. I just got a Slowbro. A Trainer. We're getting lucky today. Just got a Umbreon. A Trainer. Bellossom. Chikorita. I think that's Hollow. I just got a Mr. Mime. We're getting lucky. Another Umbreon. A Bursting Balloon. A Trainer. Energy Power Trainer. There's the Spirit Link. Energy. An old Ember of Aerodactyl. Energy Reset. Mandibuzz. Tell me if this is rare in the comments below. Yeah, I don't know if this is rare. I meant. Sorry guys. Diancie. I think that's how you pronounce it. Riolu. Winscott. A Fossil Evolution. A Green Ninja. Another Golden Almastar. Energy. A Diancie EX. Oh, that was just the wind. Energy. Snivy. Trainer. Energy. Bronzong. Rampage. I think he's famous. He's in a concert. That looks like a Pokédex. For Energy. Double Aid. Mass Potion. Sodawood. Standard. Global. Oh my god. A Megumium. A Porygon. A Tangrowth. Tierno. Energy. Bitzel, Play-Doh, Adliash, Ristot, Gyarados, Omega Sceptile, Trainer, Filky, what's another one right here? Quickaton, Trainer, that is a Trainer, Darkane, Gyarados, another Trainer, Scorch, Energy, Glameow, Drapion, Honedge, Golden Trevenant, Trainer. Oh, before I mentioned it, sorry I haven't made videos in so long time because I'm very busy these days and I don't have time. So yeah, really sorry for not making videos. I forgot to remind you. Yeah. Kyurem, Reserve Valley, Bursting Balloon, Trainer, Energy, another Drapion, Darkane, Gable, Clefairy. Is that a Hypno down there? Do you see the Hypno? It's right there. Chikorita, Electrike, Energy, Freshwater Set, Aridos, that's how you pronounce it. Another Trainer, Ampharos Spirit Link, Energy, Trainer, Energy, Trainer, Energy, Land, and Torchic, and that's all. Hope you guys enjoy. Like I mentioned, sorry I haven't made a video since a long time because I don't have time. Yeah, maybe I'll do a gameplay 2 today. Okay, make sure to comment, share, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. If you want a shout out, you can tell me what video, like, you want a shout out, tell me a video that you want like me to do in the comments, and I will give you a shout out. So thanks for watching, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.